welcome to all of you in my YouTube channel. Today I discuss one important report over the 2016 India's ranks 114th out of 132 countries on under 5 stunning and 120th out of 130 countries on under 5 wasting and 170th. The out of 185 countries are prevalence of the anemia, desertification and land degradation also pose a major threat to agriculture in the country. With a population of 101.27 billion, India is the world's second most populous country. It is the 7th largest country in the world with an area of 3.288 million square kilometer. It has a long coastline of over 7,500 kilometers. India is diverse country where over 22 major languages and 415 dialects are spoken, with the highest mountain range in the world, the Himalayas to its north, the Thar Desert to its west, the Gangetic Delta to its east and Deccan Plateau in the south. The country is home to vast agroecological diversity. India is world's largest producer of milk, pulses and jute and ranks as the second largest producer of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, vegetables, fruit and cottons. It is also one of the leading producers of species, fish, poultry, livestock and plantation crops worth $2.1 trillion. India is the world's third largest economy after the US and China. India's climates varies from humid and dry tropical in the south to temperate alpine in the northern reaches and has a great diversity of ecosystem. 4 out of the 34 global biodiversity hotspots and 15 WWF Global 200 ecoregion fall fully or partly within India, having only 2.4% of the world's land area. India harbors around 8% of all recorded species, including over 45,000 plant and 91,000 animal species. India's economic growth in financial year 2018 is expected to accelerate to 6.75% in 2018 on improved performance in both industry and services. India is the world's 6th largest economy by normal GDP and the 3rd largest by purchasing power parity PPP. The country ranks 139th per capita GDP nominal with $2,134 and 122 in per capita GDP PPP with $7.783 as of 2018. World Bank data: agriculture accounted for 23% of GDP and employed 59% of the country's total workforce in 2016. So friends, in the next video I will give you some other important information about this report. Thank you.